My 10-year-old peach has brown rot all over. My peaches are about 2 inches in diameter, but most seem to be in pretty good shape. Will Captan save the peaches and the tree? And this is from Jim. Mr. Jim, Mr. D likes this question.
Oh yeah,
He
it
likes
would.
this
It would
question. So
have.
what do you think? What do you think now?
It would have.
It would have.
It would have.
It
but
would have. Right.
At this point, and I see he's got July 21st on there. Most of the peaches seem to be in pretty good shape. July 21st. I would guess that they're not in real good shape right now. I mean, they're probably because if you've got brown rot all over on the leaves, and I've seen brown rot on the leaves. I've seen it on stems. And I've seen it on the fruit. I've never seen it just get on the leaves and the stem. I've seen it just get on the fruit in light cases with not a lot on the leaves and the stem, but I've never seen it leave the fruit alone.
Okay.
And the spray, going with a cover spray is really the only way to take care of that. Captan is one of the recommended fungicides to control brown rot. And follow the spray schedule. If he hasn't been using insecticides, probably has plum curculio. Got the little worms in all of those peaches that appear to be okay. Do a little digging around in them, you'll probably find in every single one of them, plum curculio. So peaches, plums, and nectarines, folks, you need to go with a cover spray every 7 to 10 days. And that is the only way that I know that you'll be able to control both brown rot and the plum curculio. I've seen brown rot kill trees, so I don't know whether the trees will make it through the winter or not. But
especially with the drought we've had.
Yeah.
Right. So we'll see.
We'll see. Anything to add to that, Joelle? We'll see.
Yeah. Well. Scouting early.
Yeah.
If you really want fruits, you need to have the spray program. And if not, then support your local orchard.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. To subscribe, click below.